Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Madhya Pradesh State Electronics Development Corporation Limited, initiative of Madhya Pradesh government. Okay, when you will go to the official website of mpsedc.mp.gov.in, here you can see one latest recruitment is there for DEGS recruitment November 2024. Okay, they mention here the instructions, also instructions regarding online applications are as follows, which you need to follow for filling the form. Okay, and now here application start date is 12th November, so it's already started. Now the last date for submission of application will be 2nd December 2024. Now next, the important thing is the remuneration details of the post are as follows. There are two posts: district e-governance manager district level, rupees 35,000 per month; senior trainer, second one, district level e-daksha center, 35,000 per month trainer; and third is this is 30,000 per month, and the next one is 30,000 per month for the assistant e-governance manager. So there are three vacancies. First is DEGM, so district e-governance manager, the remuneration will be 35,000, senior trainer 35,000, assistant e-governance manager 30,000. And when you will click here, they will show you rule book list of vacancies. Here you can see, if I will go to the detailed advertisement, here you can see the detailed advertisement. Here in this one they mention everything, but this is in the Hindi. I will try to convert it in the English. So here we are having first is a DEGM, district e-governance manager. Okay, posting will be on the district level. Payment will be 35,000 per month. What is requirement? BTech in computer science or IT is requirement. If you are having MCA, then also it is eligible. Okay, minimum percentage marks is 60% for the unreserved and OBC category, for SC ST 50%. And now the next very important thing is, in CS or IT you should have valid GED scorecard. Okay, so this recruitment is directly based on the GED scorecard. All right, and let's talk about the next one. This is lead trainer, again state district level. District level, they will give you the post at the district level. Price or the amount is 35,000. BTech is required here. Okay, and again they required here GED scorecard in CS or IT. Minimum 60% marks is required. Next is only for the trainer. Trainer is 30,000 per month. BTech in computer science or IT is required. Again, GED scorecard is required. 60% marks is required minimum for the unreserved category. And the next one is AEGM, assistant e-governance manager. So this is okay, the Tehsil level, 30,000 per month. BTech in computer science or IT is required, and minimum 60% marks is there for the unreserved category plus valid GED scorecard. Okay, now they mention here what is the work profile about these vacancies. They mention here work profile also. Okay, what you need to do if you will get here. Now what is the age limit? Age limit is here. If you are from the MP state, then the age limit for the male category, unreserved category, is 40. Outside from the MP, this is 35 years. Same for the female candidates, it is 45 for unreserved if you are a MP domicile, and if outside, then this is 35. Okay, and they mention here clearly the selection process is purely based on the GED scorecard. They will make the merit list on the basis of GED scorecard, and then they will shortlist you, and then they will call you for the document verification or interview. So there is no written test, that is clearly mentioned. Okay, so here they mention GET में प्राप्त स्कोर के आधार पर वरीयता सूची means they will make the merit list on the basis of GET scorecard only. Okay, and then they will call you for the काउंसलिंग. ओके, अभ्यर्थियों की काउंसलिंग के उपरांत पदस्थापन हेतु तो आफ्टर दे विल हैव द काउंसलिंग एंड देन दे विल गिव यू द फाइनल लिस्ट. ओके, all right, so you can see more details if you are, means if you think you want to apply here, you can see more details here. And they mention few more general instructions also. You can see what is this one. Okay, now this is first of all temporary job, so which is for minimum 2 years. So this is for maximum 2 years. Okay, and I think this is clear, and more details they mention here, so you can see if you want to check the details. So the official website I'm showing you again here. This is the official website. Here you can go, and even Even I think it's showing you the advertisement in the English also, if I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong, no, this is in Hindi only. If I will go to this one, so you can check to the official website. Here only you will get to know every detail. You will go to the official website and only you will get to know the details. So if you think you required or this is helpful for you, if you are from BE BTech student, get scorecard. Now they not mention here which year get scorecard is required. So if you think you are eligible here, then you should surely apply here, dear students. Okay, stay connected to I Must Get Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.